Okay, boom, viewers, back again with these quick updates because trust, if it's not for from Kingmixup, it's not credible. And you already know the deal, my peeps. Me there, yourself, I tell you now what I'm going for not to go on. You see me, so let's just kick it off with makeup, Shan. She has been released from jail for after spending the weekend for domestic violence. You see me, I said, them give her one general release. So that leads me to believe that Tika now press charges. But as you can see, the state has picked up the case and is pressing charges against you know who. Makeup Shan. Problem in the comment section no, because it's not really going to go far because the victim is not pressing charges. You see, man, this is why we see the lawyer appeared in court on her behalf asking for basically the discovery pleadings, any notices, any orders, anything. Listen, man, I say, so they can get this case dismissed. You know what I mean? Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. As soon as she got out, she let her fans know everyone, you see me, I say, and her girl pulled up and picked her up in style at Coley. You see me, I say, so that's how we know, say, issues really that between she and Tika, who have been, a couple since 4 years ago. You know what I mean? As you can see right there, she get the general release. Because boy, Tika, not should I pick her up if I let my wife for 4 years, don't it? So like I said, it looked like Tika just wanted, to be safe and, get Shan, away from her because she did out all night with Shensia doing who knows what and upset the woman and provoke her, forget mash up. You see me? Shan, no. Anyway, people, I'm just giving you a quick update while going for that go on. You see, the lawyer is looking to get this dismissed and it doesn't look like Tika is pressing charges. You see me? Okay, people, does crime pay? Time will tell if these criminals are apprehended, don't it? Right now, a bar has been robbed on Olympic Way. I don't want to say last night, but May 2nd, you see me, I say, and the individuals them is asking me to share this video hoping that the perpetrators can be identified and they can get justice, you see me, I say. But nevertheless, when I say what go on for not to go on, this happened on Olympic Way on May 2nd, and the establishment is offering 300,000 Jamaican dollars. This is my say. So if you are a law-abiding citizen, if you can identify these perpetrators, and if you can give the police a tip, please do it. This is my son. So them never send a video with no sound, but still, let's take a look at what's going on, don't it? So like I said, if you can help, you see me. But in the meantime, check out these next suggested videos on the sip on the screen. Now I mean, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, I suggest you do so. And turn on the notification bell to be notified whenever I drop the latest in dancehall news, musical reviews, or even gossips. Please.